Hello everyone, this is Farhan from farhanreviews.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a new training course called Profit Rocket. So what Profit Rocket is, it's basically a training course all about how to make money using Pinterest. And I'll be honest with you, Pinterest, I've never really used it for making money or even for anything. I didn't realize how big it was and how easy it is to make money using Pinterest. Let me go through my review page here. It's available via the link below. So it's basically a standard training area. There's loads of videos in it. It's a big training course, and I think it's under $10. Just the front end is under $10, and there's a lot of content in there. You can read the full review on my site, but I'll go with the pricing. So the front end is $9.45. The pro version, which I recommend, is $27.45 with a downsell of $17.45. Excuse me. The next OTO is a done for you, where you get I think 6,000 plus templates for $47 or with a downsell of $27. The Resell rights OTO 3 is $97.45 with a downsell of $67, and the fourth OTO is a big one, $197, but you get personal coaching. I wrote here, is it worth it? I think it is worth it. Especially like me, I've never used Pinterest for anything really. But I watched some of the videos. I went through the training. Like I was just watching this training case study here. You get 5 case studies, which is a lot for a front end product. Because normally that's an upsell by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 full case studies. So this is worth. Normally this goes for $47 to $67 as an upsell. You're getting it for under $10. And plus, not only that, you get all of this training. I'll go through that in 1 second. Let me just finish my review page. Sorry. So yeah, so I think the pro upgrade is worth it. The templates are worth it as well if you're new to Pinterest. Of course, the front end is a given. And the bonuses for this package, you get access to Mobily and Launch Tracker courses, video courses, a full video training guide how to explode your YouTube channel, so get views, make money, how to do email marketing properly, license rights to insurgency, and all of the vendor bonuses. Now my own extra bonuses, I'll give you access to amazing free fast hosting that you can host landing pages, opt-in forms, and so on. Social media marketing content video course, a social media marketing ebook all about social media, and also a Pinterest profits ebook. So you get all of that, all of these 9 bonuses by clicking on any of these links on this page and buying. Let me go through let me show you the sales page first. I'm not even been through it myself yet actually. But it shows you all of his track record, and that's Johnny Rose, and this is the main instructor, Sasha. There's a lot to read here, but I'll let you read it all in your time. But to be honest, for $10 you don't need to read all this, because Pinterest, I didn't realise how big the market was. I think I watched the intro of one of the videos here, and they were talking about how big Pinterest is and how ripe it is for affiliate offers. And I mean, let me show you. I mean, you can see from the titles here, $100 a day with Pinterest, 0 to 1,000 with organic Pinterest traffic, 10 Amazon affiliate sales a day with Pinterest. I mean, I'm going to sit down myself after I do this video and go through all of them, because it is really interesting. And this goes through all of the Pinterest app itself, how to set up your profile, how to create pins, which I have no idea how to do, how to create communities, how to automate Pinterest with Zapier, how to create images and audio, and there's so much in it. It's amazing. So I highly recommend this course. Sign up for it immediately while it's at its launch price, and also go for the pro and the this if you need to. But it's a very good course. Click on the link below to purchase it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have purchased it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.